Hello guys, welcome to Dance IT Network. So now that we're able to convert the binary to decimal and decimal to hexadecimal, so what we're going to do now is we'll do a vice versa. So we'll convert from hexadecimal to decimal and then decimal to binary. Okay, so let's say, for example, we were given a hexadecimal value of ED. Okay, let's use this instead. So let's pretend that we don't know the decimal value, which is the 237. So how are we going to do that? By using this formula on the base 16 hexadecimal, okay, we can determine what is the decimal value. Okay? And with this ED, supposedly in hexadecimal, it should have a 4 characters. So you notice that I did not include the 20 because they don't have a value, okay? But this time is let's include those 20 for us to find out what is the decimal, okay? And now we do know that this 0 is located in here, which is on the 4086. Doesn't have value, so we don't have nothing to add, right? And then on the second 0 is 256. It's still no value. And then on this letter E, this E, if we'll take a look on the characters, so this is the 9, uh, 10, 11, 12, 13, and then the 14, right? So the letter E is the number 14. Okay, so this is the 14, and also for the value of D, we do know that this is the number 13, right? Why? It's because 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, it's D. So what we need to do is using this formula, we just need to multiply the 16 to 14, right? I'm gonna do that. 16 multiplied by 14 equals 224, and then we need to add the remaining, which is the 13, right? And plus 13. Okay, so now we got the decimal value, okay, which is the 237. That's easy. And then to convert this 237 decimal value to a binary, okay, here's what we need to do, right? So um, we need to erase this one first, okay? So I am on the binary section, and we will be using this formula, right? And let's say this is 237, and let's assign here a value. Okay, so in the value of 237, so how many 128 we need? Okay, so we need 128, right? Because we only have two value in binary, which is 0 and 1. So do we need 128 to complete the 237? Well, the answer is yes, right? So I'll put 1 in here. Okay. How about 64? So let's try that. So 128, let's say plus 64, 192. So the answer is yes, we need 164. How about 32? So let's add the 32 in here plus 32. Yes, so it is still inside 237. So we need a value of 32. So I'll put 1 in here. And how about 16? Do we need 16? So let me plus 16. Oh, but this time is more than the 237. So we don't need 16. So I need to put 0 in here. And I need to uh, deduct the 16 to this 240, okay? Minus 16. Right, now we're back to 224. So do we need 8? Well, I believe yes. So plus 8, and it's 232, right? So let's put 1 in here. And do we need 4? So 232 plus 4, it's 236, all right? So 236 versus 237, we only need once. So let's put 1 and this 4 in here. And as you can see, 237 versus the 236 is we only need just 1 point. So we need to put 0 on this number 2, and we need to put 1 on the ones. Okay, so this is the binary then, right? It's the same as I showed in here, 111 0 1 1 0 1. Okay,